one of the most severe and life-changing injuries you can suffer in a car accident, motorcycle accident, trucking accident, or workplace accident is a traumatic brain injury. A traumatic brain injury, or TBI, is a direct result of an external force being applied to the cranium as well as its intracranial contents, which are the brain, the covering meninges, and cerebrospinal fluids. Damage to these areas can result in temporary or permanent impairments, functional or cognitive disability, decreased motor skills, and psychosocial maladjustments. If you or a loved one have suffered a head or brain injury, and you feel someone else was at fault, it is absolutely in your best interest to consult with our brain injury lawyers. They are highly skilled trial attorneys with many years of experience litigating all types of brain injuries resulting from various types of accidents throughout the United States and Puerto Rico. We offer free case reviews and handle catastrophic injury cases on a contingency fee basis, meaning we charge no fees if we do not recover for you. Many of our injury attorneys are former insurance defense attorneys and will use that experience to get you the full, fair, and just benefits, compensation, and medical care you are entitled to. Some common accidents resulting in traumatic brain injuries can be assault, auto accidents, falls, especially from high places, medical malpractice, or workplace accidents. But no matter how your brain injury occurred, our traumatic brain injury attorneys are here to help you. The effects of a brain injury can be very complex and can vary from person to person. Generally, the aftermath of a brain injury is contingent on the severity of the injury, the amount of mechanical force exerted at the time of injury, and the part of the brain injured. Prompt examination and evaluation of a brain injury is extremely important. Expedited assessment and treatment can aid in minimizing the effects of such an injury. There are several diagnostic tests used to determine the severity of a brain injury. Two of the more common are the Glasgow Coma Scale and the Ranchos Los Amigos Scale. But wherever you rate on either one of those scales, please be sure to contact our brain injury lawyers to arrange a free initial consultation. While most personal injury claims end in a settlement negotiated between our attorneys and the liable party's insurance company, we are more than willing to take your case to trial if a fair and just settlement cannot be attained otherwise. And don't forget, we charge no fee unless we recover on your behalf. No matter what state you were injured in, our lawyers can help, as they serve all 50 states, Puerto Rico, and Washington, D.C., including Alabama, Alaska, Arkansas, California, Colorado, Connecticut, Delaware, Florida, Georgia, Hawaii, Idaho, Illinois, Indiana, Iowa, Kansas, Kentucky, Louisiana, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, Michigan, Minnesota, Mississippi, Missouri, Montana, Nebraska, Nevada, New Hampshire, New Jersey, New Mexico, New York, North Carolina, North Dakota, Ohio, Oklahoma, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Puerto Rico, Rhode Island, South Carolina, South Dakota, Tennessee, Texas, Utah, Vermont, Virginia, Washington, D.C., West Virginia, Wyoming, and Wisconsin.